所观众朋友来看这则新闻，讲到夏威夷毛伊岛的野火对车bay烧到焦，已经上无有50个人死亡。这数百年历史的小镇拉海纳8成红烧掉，拄上上万人就要离开家园。美国总统拜登下令投入联邦资源全力来协助，不过这火势一团开就半途收煞，主要原因就是可汗搁再加上强风所引起。
为空中看毛伊岛西部的度假胜地拉海纳，规片是拢烧甲臭火搭，袂输战区共款。几百年历史的城镇，200多栋的建筑物8成拢乌有去，对外的路嘛袂通。因为火势真猛，真侪居民甲游客拢惊一个赶紧走，甚至是跳海逃生。伫毛伊岛的卡胡罗伊机场，多只巴士、公车、校车是甲游客为灾区载来再几啊抓，几啊千人感觉真惊吓，踮机场等飞轮机来。
When you're trapped between fires, other things come to your feelings, especially if you're not with your own family.
I actually drove through Lahaina today and it was to the ground, nothing. Like the whole town was gone. And in terms of the fire, this huge smoke. And during the night, you could see a big orange glow in the sky.
这届森林大火，车尾暗时导火，先头起因为季风大拉，透风地势炭烧了真紧。目前虽然8成的火势已经控制掉了，不过也是有部分的火还未拍发。这届大火正做2018年加州坎普野火以来死亡人数上介济一届。专家表示，夏威夷是真担心，这种严重的野火是无再发生。不过受到气候变迁的影响，当地在短时间内温度真悬，阁无落雨，树啊因为大热较会烧起来，还阁有较高导火外来种，天竺草入侵，加上沿海山区透风，是这届灾情严重主要的原因。
Maui was in a D1, D2 severe drought for the season, and the risk for large fire potential was higher there than it was in California for this month and last month and in September as well. So these conditions all lined up with kind of a classic fire weather situation. It just so happened that there was ignition during the high wind event.
夏威夷副州长罗克讲，目前还在做损失的评估，中间之路是真久长。现在拜登总统是发布重大灾难的声明，动用联邦资源来协助救灾。公司新闻，是会长朋友。